미나랑 클레이.
무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다.
안녕하세요, 미나입니다. 이번 영상은 무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다 를 외치는 술래인형 피규어예요. 나무와 함께 디오라마로 만들어 보았어요. 술래로봇은 넷플릭스에서 공개된 오징어게임이라는 드라마에서 등장하는데요. 요즘 전 세계적으로 인기가 많답니다. 시즌2가 정말 기대되는 작품이에요. 클레이는 스컬피 폴리머를 사용했구요. 영상 재밌게 감상하시고 구독과 좋아요 부탁드립니다. 오늘도 좋은 하루 보내세요.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Lonely now, I'll give up everything. A daunting goal. If I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Don't let go, don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once that I so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.